Good morning to one and all. My name is A. Sai Karthik from 7th grade in Akash High School. Today I am giving a small speech about Abdul Kalam. Biography. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931. He is from Tamil Nadu. His full name was Avul Pakit Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. He was on aerospace scientist. He is also called Missile Man of India. He is awarded Bharat Ratna in award to 1997. He write lot of books. He become president of 11th president of India. Thank you.